In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Hostinger email password. Whether you're updating your password for better security or simply want something easier, or harder for that matter, to remember, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, let's log into your Hostinger hPanel. If you have trouble recalling your login details, you might need to reset your password through the Forgot Password option or check your email for any saved login information. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard, a central hub for managing your websites and services. Next, direct your attention to the email section. It's usually easy to spot and act as the main gateway to managing anything related to your email services. Once there, you'll need to select the specific domain associated with the email account for which you want to change the password. If you're handling multiple domains, make sure you pick the correct one to avoid any unnecessary headaches later on. Now, let's move on to managing your email settings. Click on the Manage button, which will allow you to access more detailed settings for the email services linked to your selected domain. In the sidebar to your left, you'll spot a section labeled Mailboxes. Navigate there, as this section holds the key to customizing your specific email accounts. Here, you will see a list of all the email addresses you have under your chosen domain. Scan through it to find the specific email address for which you need to change the password. For demonstration purposes, let's assume it's you@yourdomain.com. Once you've located it, look for the menu next to the email address. Click on it to reveal additional options. Among these options, you'll notice an option to change the password. Clicking on Change Password will prompt you to enter a new password. When crafting your new password, remember to make it strong. A good password consists of 8 to 50 characters and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a symbol or two. If you find creating a strong password challenging, Hostinger provides a built-in password generator to suggest a robust password on your behalf. After typing in your new password or selecting the generated one, double-check it to avoid any typos. When you're satisfied, click on the Update button, and that's it. You've successfully changed your email password. Going forward, you'll use this password when accessing your webmail or when setting up your email client. Updating your password regularly is a good habit in maintaining the security of your email accounts, so consider doing this from time to time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.